Yearning for a private sanctuary in your outdoor space? We've got you covered! From elegant wooden fences to lush green hedges, we're unveiling a treasure trove of ideas to elevate your outdoor. Watch as we guide you through the art of creating a serene oasis with carefully curated privacy solutions. Join us in this journey towards a more intimate and tranquil outdoor living experience. Stay tuned for expert insights and breathtaking transformations.
Creating a natural privacy screens and hedges can be an attractive and eco-friendly way to add privacy to your property. Here are some ideas for using plants and trees to create privacy screens and hedges for your fence. Tall evergreen trees. Planting tall evergreen trees like arborvitae, leyland cypress, or thuja can create a dense year-round privacy screen. These trees are often used for this purpose because they grow quickly and maintain their foliage throughout the year. Bamboo. Bamboo is a fast growing plant that can create a lush privacy screen. It can be invasive, so consider using clumping bamboo or planting it in containers to control its growth. Privet. Privet hedges are popular for creating dense, formal hedges. They can be pruned to your desired height and shape. Common, common pivot, common privet and California privet are popular choices. Boxwood. Boxwood is another versatile plant for creating formal hedges. It can be pruned into various shapes and sizes, making it a great choice for a classic manicured look. Fruit trees. Some fruit trees like apple or pear can be pruned into espalier forms, which are flat decorative screen against a fence. They also offer a benefit of producing fruit. Native shrubs. Choose native shrubs and bushes that are well suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Native plants often require less maintenance and can attract local wildlife. Trellises with vining plants. Install trellises against your fence and encourage vining plants like jasmine, wisteria, or climbing roses to grow on them. These plants can create a beautiful fragrant screen. Grasses and ornamental plants. Consider ornamental grasses like pampas grass or maiden grass for a more contemporary and less formal privacy screen. They can add texture and movement to your garden. Mixed plantings. A combination of various shrubs, trees, and plants can create a diverse and visually interesting privacy screen. Mixing different species can also provide more robust pest resistance. Maintenance. Regular pruning and care are essential to keep your natural privacy screen healthy and looking its best. Make sure to choose plants that match your willingness and ability to maintain them. Remember to consider factors such as sunlight, soil conditions, and local climate when selecting plants for your privacy screen. It's also a good idea to consult with the local nursery or gardening expert to get advice tailored to your specific location. Additionally, check your regulations and any homeowners association rules that may govern planting along your fence. Here, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community. Join us on this incredible journey. Simply click that subscribe button now and ring the notification bell to never miss an upload. Thanks for being a part of our channel.